Cruising the old 1973 C10. I love this truck. It's a real cool truck. It's got the vintage air. It's got subs in it, all original. Interior, other than the headliner. Seats are original. It's the Cheyenne model, so it's got the cool wood grain. It's a pretty cool truck. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video where we go meet up with the local C10 group and check out some of their rides. All right, you guys want to see the outside? Enough of the inside. Let's check out the outside. Here we go. This truck was allegedly owned by the brother of Von Dutch. It was built in Washington State, and it was bought at the Good Guys car show. Retro head unit, vintage air, updated R134A. All the wood grain is a wrap, and all the metal has been clear coated once it got to the certain level of rust. American Racing wheels, dual flow master exhaust with the bed exit, old school Huffy bike. This truck is lowered with the Beltec 4.6 drop with the C-notch and Beltec street shocks. Super cool design on the hood with the Von Dutch hood ornament. See what we got under here. Just a regular Chevy 350. It's got a fast distributor on it. A few other goodies. Nothing special. Nothing crazy. Fun little truck. It's been great, and it is for sale. Drop a comment below for the link. It is for sale for the time being. By the time this video goes up, it will most likely already be gone. This is a great truck. Had a lot of fun with this one, taking it to a few car shows locally. We're still gonna do that. Still got a couple weeks left with it before it gets posted. Great truck. Here's some rolling shots. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little video about this 1973 C10.